Take a blank page and make sure that your brushes are washed properly. Use black color and begin by sketching horizontal line at a slight angle. Starting from the edges of the road, paint the surrounding landscape in a horizontal direction with black color, using long smooth strokes to create a sense of depth and distance. Gradually build up layer of black paint to create a sense of volume and dimension in the surrounding. I have preferred black color for my surrounding areas because it can simplify the composition and focus attention on the road and sky. Well, black color is a common color in many landscapes, particularly in areas with dense foliage or shadow, making it a realistic choice for the surrounding areas. Black color can create a mystery of drama or tension in the scene depending on the context and composition. Adding black color into the surrounding area, we can add depth, contrast, and visual interest to our painting. After that, we will paint our road. Starting from the horizontal line, paint the road in the horizontal direction using long smooth stroke to create a sense of distance and perspective. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Gray is a common color for roads as it represents the concrete material used in their construction. Gray provides a three-dimensional effect. It makes the road appear more distant and fading into the horizons. Okay, I'm done with gray color and now I'm using blue color to make a sky. Start from the top of the paper and work your way down. Use gentle sweeping brush stroke to create a sense of depth and movement. I like blue color because it evokes feeling of calmness. Add a touch of dark blue to the upper area of the sky, creating depth and dimension. Here I am using dark blue color for the sky because it creates a dramatic and moody atmosphere perfect for capturing the feeling of a long open road. Gradually blend the dark blue into the surrounding color, creating a subtle transition from the light to the dark. Blending is all about creating smooth, subtle transition between colors. Now use light yellow color to create a soft creamy color. Start from the horizontal line, gently sweep the brush across the paper in a horizontal motion, gradually fading the color toward the top of the sky. Use a wet on wet technique by adding a small amount of water to your brush to create a subtle blending effect. To add depth and dimension, layer of slightly darker shade of yellow above the horizontal line, allowing the color to merge and blend. For more vibrant and dramatic effect, use the pure yellow color in the sky, especially near the horizon in a wispy cloud formation. It will create a warm sunset inspiration. Once you have established the yellow base color in the sky, mix a vibrant red hue with a touch of yellow to create a warm effect. Starting from the horizontal line, gently sweep the brush across the paper in the horizontal motion, gradually fading the color toward the top of the sky. Use the touch to merge the colors. Now I am using black color to enhance my painting by adding some detail and texture. Consider adding shadows, highlights with black color to create a depth and dimension. Use a brush to block in the overall shape of the mountain with black paint. When using black to paint the mountain, it's important to balance it with the color and blend the black color smoothly to make our mountains beautiful. After that, we will make our bike. Use some white color to make headlight and some handles and also blend it with black color. It will give a beautiful effect to our bike. Black color gives us a bold effect as it is a sense of movement and energy. It's time to make our mirror with white color and more details of our bike with white color. Use a medium blue color to paint the entire mirror area. Use the black paint to cover the entire oil tank area. This will be the base color. Use red color to cover the entire engine area. Now I am using black color to make the gloves of my rider. Then I am using dark blue color for making sleeves of my rider. Add some shade with pencil, it will enhance our painting more beautifully. I am using black pointer for outlining, it will give beautiful effect and add some bold effect in our painting. It will create a sense of volume in our bike. Now let's add some depth to the road. I am using white color and a small brush to paint parallel lines, creating a sense of texture and dimension. After adding small line, we will use whitener to make stars in our sky. Take a piece of paper and place it over the area where you want to add some star. Use a small brush to paint white dots onto the paper, creating a stencil effect. Remove the paper and wow, you have a beautiful starry night. And that's it. You have completed your ride on highway painting. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned some new technique to enhance your art. Don't forget to share your creation with me on social media using the hashtag RideOnRailway, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Happy painting, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.